Good morning, everybody. Anita here. Today we're going to be talking about now is the time. Live in this moment. You can't get back the last moment you just lived. You need to be grateful and live in this moment fully. You can't get back yesterday or last week. All you can do is live in this moment right now. Everything is great in this moment. I am prosperous in this moment. I am wealthy in this moment. Bring everything into the moment that you're in. You're not in the next moment. You're not in the last moment. You're right here, right now. Live in the now. Be grateful for what's happening to you right now. Be grateful for all the love and prosperity and your career and whatever you have right around you right now. Make a conscious effort to acknowledge the moments of your day and be grateful for whatever's around you, what's near you, what's in your heart, all the divine moments that are given to you each day. Just make an effort to be grateful, to live in the now, to give gratitude and thank God and all that is divine. Thank the universe for all that you know about in your moment right now and all you will know about in future moments. To live in the now is to be fully present and aware of this moment right now, whatever's happening to you right in this moment of time. And that's all we have. That's all you have is one moment at a time. So we need to be fully aware and present in this moment. Be thankful. Offer gratitude and thankfulness. And just do it on purpose. It will bring you much joy and you will have much better success in life as you acknowledge each moment, as it comes up in your mind. Wow, this is happening right now in this moment of time, whatever it is. Maybe you've been giving a blessing out of the blue. Well, take that advantage and give thanks and gratitude for that moment, that thing that happened in the moment, the thing that brings you joy in your heart. That's what you want to feel, is the joy and the peace and the love. And you want to get excited. Thank you so much. Maybe you have a little bit of snow on the ground or birds in your yard. Take that time to give gratitude to God, to the universe, and just appreciate this moment in time. And with that, I appreciate and I am grateful for each and every one of you. God bless you, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.